At the end of a long, windy road in the middle of nowhere, we found this little beauty that had been neglected nearly to the point that it was ready for the junkyard. We only had a few days to get it aesthetically pleasing enough so that it didn't arouse suspicion by police officers or other campers in a campground. We also had to get it mechanically sound and clean enough to sleep in. I honestly don't think the thing had even had a bath since it rolled off of the assembly line in the late 80s. And the inside certainly didn't show any signs that it had ever been cleaned. Underneath a great deal of grime, we found a set of nearly mint condition light tan leather seats, which are rare for 80s model vans. Most of them are a very odd color. The brakes locked up before we even got it back, so they had to be changed on the side of the road, and once we got it back, there were a few minor things on the engine that had to be fixed, but not much. Of course, the air conditioner had to be charged. I mean, considering the age, the fact that the Freon had leaked off is not at all surprising. Everybody jumped in and helped work on this. The paint was faded, chipped, and just looked absolutely terrible, so the whole van had to be sanded. And taped up. And after about 2 hard days, we were ready to spray it. After a lot of cleaning and a lot of sanding, a little fresh paint, it looks brand new. And certainly not out of place in any campground. Thanks for joining us for this quick project. Don't forget to click like and subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of our videos. We'll see y'all next time.